What are chromosomes? Today we are going to discuss what are chromosomes. Any living cell, whether it is plant cell or animal cell, when it is observed under light microscope, its nucleus is not evidently clear. Okay? The things inside the nucleus are not clear. So what we do, we stain that cell with suitable dye. एक suitable dye से stain करते हैं, and then the noticeable things are observed in the nucleus. And what are those? Mainly the main content that is observed after dyeing the cell inside the nucleus is DNA. This is the thread like structure, thread like content that is called DNA. Now what is DNA? Also called this DNA is also called chromatin fibers, or you can say what are chromatin fibers, or the same way what are chromosomes. Whether these two things are different things? No. First of all, we will observe the cell when it is at rest, or you can say when it is not dividing, it is not under the division process. At that time the DNA content of the cell is like fine threads, like very fine thread like structures appears, and it looks like fibers. That is why this DNA content is called chromatin fibers. But as soon as this cell undergoes or starts dividing or starts the process of division, what happens? The first process that starts inside the nucleus is this DNA content, or these chromatin fibers starts coiling and condensing. You can say that two processes starts occurring: highly coiled form and highly condensed form. These fine thread like structures starts coiling, supercoiling, and also same way starts condensing. And ultimately what happens? Ultimately this chromatin fiber, or you can say these fine thread like structures, appears like this thick condensed coiled structures, which are called chromosomes. So there is no particular difference in chromatin fiber or chromosomes. These are actually both are the same things. That is, this is the DNA content of the cell, but the DNA content before the process of division is called chromatin fiber, and when the division starts and the chromatin fibers condenses itself, then the DNA content is called chromosomes, or chromosomes are the DNA content in the cell.